Welcome to Auto Buzz TV, the channel where passion meets innovation on wheels. From the biggest luxury campers to the most compact creative builds, we bring you stories of vehicles that break the mold and redefine adventure. Today, we're rolling into something bright, bold, and truly unique, the Orange RV Camper Tricycle. Imagine cruising down the road on a three-wheeled camper that isn't just transportation but also your mobile retreat. The first thing that stands out is the color. That vibrant orange body doesn't just make the tricycle visible from a distance, it radiates energy, warmth, and creativity. Orange is the color of adventure, symbolizing freedom and excitement, and this RV camper tricycle is exactly that, a compact machine designed for those who want to embrace the road less traveled. At its core, the Orange RV Camper Tricycle is a minimalist's dream. Built with a lightweight frame and an attached cabin, it balances practicality and imagination. It's not as large as a traditional RV, but that's the beauty of it. Compact, efficient, and easy to maneuver, it opens doors for travelers who want to explore without worrying about the bulk of a massive vehicle. The tricycle design gives it stability while still keeping it nimble enough to weave through tighter paths that larger campers can't reach. The cabin, though small, is intelligently designed. Step inside and you'll find just enough space for one or two people to live comfortably on the go. A foldable bed, storage compartments, and clever use of vertical space ensure that no inch goes to waste. For some models, a tiny cooking setup or a desk is included, making it not just a camper but a tiny home on three wheels. It's amazing how such a small footprint can hold everything needed for a mobile lifestyle. What makes this tricycle even more appealing is its efficiency. Many camper tricycles are powered by eco-friendly engines, with some even fully electric. Pair that with the possibility of solar panels, and you've got a camper that doesn't just reduce costs but also lowers your carbon footprint. Imagine parking your Orange Trike by the beach, unfolding a portable solar panel, and powering your lights while you relax under the stars. That's the essence of sustainable adventure. And let's not forget its personality. The orange finish isn't just paint, it's a statement. Where traditional RVs often blend into a sea of white and gray, this tricycle pops with character. It's playful, bold, and impossible to ignore. Driving an Orange RV Camper Tricycle is more than traveling, it's expressing a lifestyle, a choice to stand out and be different. Whether on a quiet country road or a busy urban street, this trike will always turn heads. Comfort is another pleasant surprise. While the camper is compact, it offers a cozy and secure environment. Travelers who've experienced it often describe it as a cocoon, a snug personal space that feels both private and freeing. Add in a few personal touches like LED lights, a fan, or portable camping gear, and it transforms into a stylish, self-sufficient mini camper. Compared to full-sized RVs, the tricycle camper is significantly more affordable, both in price and in maintenance. Owning one means you get the thrill of van life without the heavy costs that come with larger rigs. Fuel, repairs, and storage are all much simpler and less demanding, which makes it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious adventurers or first-time camper owners. And then, there's the fun of driving it. A tricycle camper offers a unique experience compared to four-wheeled campers. Handling feels different, more agile, and more personal. With its smaller size, it's easier to park, easier to store, and more flexible in where you can take it. Tight trails, scenic roads, or even crowded cityscapes, all become accessible in ways larger campers could never manage. The Orange RV Camper Tricycle isn't just a vehicle, it's a philosophy. It encourages travelers to carry less, live light, and focus on the joy of exploration. It strips away the unnecessary and keeps what truly matters: mobility, shelter, and freedom. It's not about having a giant mobile home filled with gadgets, it's about the simple pleasure of waking up in a new location, knowing the road is your backyard. The choice of orange adds to this philosophy. Orange is creative, bold, and optimistic, it tells the world that you're here for adventure. It's not a shy color, and neither is this camper. For explorers who love individuality and don't want to blend into the ordinary, this tricycle is the perfect fit. Whether you're a solo traveler chasing solitude, a couple seeking spontaneous weekend getaways, or someone who simply loves compact, clever designs, the Orange RV Camper Tricycle is built to deliver. It's not about the size of your camper, it's about the size of the adventures you create with it. At AutoBuzz TV, we celebrate vehicles like this because they remind us that innovation and imagination have no limits. The Orange RV Camper Tricycle proves that freedom on the road can come in small, vibrant packages that still offer everything you need. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the Orange RV Camper Tricycle. If you enjoyed exploring this unique ride, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to AutoBuzz TV for more exciting stories about extraordinary vehicles from around the globe. Tell us in the comments, would you take a trip in a tricycle camper, and if so, where would your first stop be? This is AutoBuzz TV, where we bring passion and creativity to the road. Until next time.